Hey there, welcome to the ITPM online video series, your guiding light amidst the chaos in the complex world of trading. This series is a beacon of knowledge, a treasure trove of insights specifically designed for retail traders who are passionate about mastering the art of trading. It's a journey of discovery where you'll uncover the secret techniques and strategies wielded by the world's top professional traders. Every course has been meticulously crafted to make complex trading concepts easy to understand. Whether you're a novice trader or have years of experience under your belt, this series will elevate your trading skills to new heights. It's not just about watching videos, it's about immersing yourself in a world of trading wisdom. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with us? Prepare to have your mind blown as we have a thrilling surprise in store for you. First up is our video series called Introduction to Professional Level Trading, or IPLT in short. This course is your gateway to the world of professional trading. It's designed with the everyday trader in mind, offering insights into the methods and strategies used by the pros. It's not just about trading, it's about understanding the market, spotting opportunities, and mitigating risks. IPLT is like a full-fledged class that helps you navigate the ups and downs of the US stock market. And it's not just about making trades, it's about managing your trading accounts like a pro. Learn how to ride the waves of market volatility and turn them to your advantage. So, are you ready to dip your toes into the IPLT series? Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. It's your first step towards becoming a well-informed, savvy trader, ready to tackle the financial markets with confidence and skill. Next up is the Professional Trading Masterclass, or PTM as we like to call it. This isn't your ordinary course, it's a treasure trove of invaluable insights that will transform your understanding of trading. The PTM series is not just about crossing off a task on your to-do list. Rather, it's akin to discovering a secret key that unlocks a realm of unimaginable insights. It's the stepping stone to becoming an institute trader, a coveted title held by the finest in the field. But be forewarned, this isn't a walk in the park. This challenging course forms the bedrock of our educational programs and is designed to push you to your limits. It's not just another test, it's your golden ticket into our global community of ultra-informed retail traders. The PTM video series is so much more than a basic test. It's the furnace where the trading stars of tomorrow are shaped. Looking for more? We've got just the thing for you. Let's talk about our top-tier series, the Professional Options Masterclass, or POTM for short. This is the ultimate garnish to your trading skills cake, the cherry on top that takes you deeper into the world of trading. It's designed to ensure you emerge not only with a solid grasp of the intricate world of options trading, but with the confidence and capability to navigate it like a seasoned professional. POTM is more than just a course. It's a comprehensive exploration of advanced trading strategies, risk management techniques, and practical applications that can be tailored to your unique trading style. It's your passport to a whole new level of understanding, equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions in an ever-changing market landscape. If you finish our full set of courses, you'll be more than ready for live trading. You'll be set to handle real money in your account. So why limit yourself? The ITPM online video series has much more to offer. This is not just about ticking off a goal on your list. It's about embarking on a comprehensive journey to master the art of trading. Each course in our series forms a crucial part of this journey, and together, they provide a full-fledged trading education. But that's not all. We have a thrilling surprise in store for you. As our cherished viewer, we're stirring up a storm of irresistible discounts that we'll be unwrapping later in the video. These price cuts are your passport to dive deeper, master more, and ultimately elevate your trading skills to new heights. So sit tight, trust us, it's worth the anticipation. The ITPM online video series is your treasure chest of knowledge, meticulously tailored to refine your trading skills like never before. Dive in, unearth, and decode the secrets of professional trading.